Hey Integrity family, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I happened to be doing some research in your area and I came across your website and figured I'd shoot you a short video for you all going over 3 things that you all can start doing today to start beating your competitors online. So by the end of this video, if you like what you hear or would like to know more about how Midtown Marketing can help grow your business, give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take the tips in this video and you can use them for yourself. All I ask is for some feedback on this. So let's go ahead and get started. The 3 things that I'm going to be going over today are content, citations, and backlinks. And the first one is content, which has a lot to do with your website here. And what content is, it's all of this verbiage here that you can see physically, but it also includes photos. And so Google has the capability of seeing what's behind these photos, which means whatever they were saved as before they were uploaded. And the reason that content is so important is because Google wants to see you providing value to your readers. And so they take a look at all of the content on your site to see what keywords are on your site. And then that way they can know who to connect you with when people are searching in Google. So we have a little phrase here called content is king. And a good rule of thumb would be to have at least 1,500 words on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you do want those keywords embedded throughout there. And one example of a keyword is concrete contractor in Macomb. And so when your future customers are searching for this, the first thing that's populating is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into this section here. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. The way that you outrank your competitors here would be to have a Google business profile. I see that you do have one here. And then you would want to have this be completely optimized. And then this is where that second thing, citations, come into play a lot. And so what a citation is, it's your business name, the address that you have on this profile, and the phone number that's on this profile and other places like Yelp. So you want to have more of these citations than these competitors here in your local directories. And a good rule of thumb would be to find out which directories they are in and go get those for your own business. And then also you want to get more than they have. And then with that profile being completely optimized, you can be ranking in the top 3 and get your share of that 30 to 40% of business here. And if we scroll down, this is the organic listing. And so the remaining 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic listing. And this is where your website would be ranking. And so those backlinks play a huge role in your website ranking. And so here we're at the bottom of the first page here, and it's really important to be on this first page because over 90% of people will stay on this first page. And so something that we can do is we can take your URL, we can plug it into a tool called Ahrefs, and then we can see the back end of your website. And so we're going to take a look at some ratings which are made up from Google data. The UR and the DR is the trustworthiness and the authority of your website. You have 7 and 0. This is on a scale of up to 99. And so what's making up your ratings here are the 104 backlinks that you have. And these backlinks are coming from 9 referring domains. So a backlink is one website linking to another, like a shout out. And it's important to be intentional whenever you are choosing which backlinks to get, because there are spammy backlinks that will bring these numbers down, and there are good quality ones that will bring these numbers up. And you want your UR and your DR higher than your competitors here. And then what goes hand in hand with this are what are called keywords. So you want to be found and want to rank for things that apply to you and your business and the area that you service. And so you want to be ranking for things that apply to you. So you want to make sure you have good buyer intent keywords on your site and your UR and your DR are higher than your competitors here. And so if we go take a look at the #1 ranking business for that keyword that we searched earlier, we can see Biondo Cement. So they have a UR of 28 and DR of 17, What's making up their ratings are 511 backlinks, and these backlinks are coming from 150 referring domains. They have 1,600 keywords on their site, and they have 831 monthly traffic. And so what we'd want to do here is we'd want to get you those high quality backlinks so that we're boosting your UR and your DR above your competitors. We'd want to beat out all your competitors here so that you're being pushed to the top of that Google search. And then we'd want to do extensive search for all applicable buyer intent keywords to you. The reason that you want buyer intent is because we want to find people that are looking to purchase. So we want to do the best that we can to find quality leads for you and then get those quality leads on your site. Because the more people that are landing on your site that are qualified and looking to buy from you, the more people that will be purchasing and becoming your customer here. And so just a quick recap here, we would want to get high quality backlinks to your site so that we're boosting the UR and the DR, adding any buyer intent keywords that apply to the services that you provide in all of the areas that you service. And then we would want your Google Business Profile ranking, so we'd want to have this be completely optimized and add those citations there. And I hope that this short video was helpful for you. I look forward to hearing your feedback, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch. Thanks.